Once lush and vibrant, the island of Moana now lay arid and lifeless, a stark victim of an unforeseen calamity. The drought had transformed the land into a desert, with thirsty crops turning to dust and rivers running dry. This disaster was no act of nature, but rather the work of a monstrous dam constructed far off by a band of seafaring pirates. In the heart of Moana, the village leader, Afa, stared across the barren landscape with determination rather than despair. Afa was wise and resolute, beloved by her people for her unyielding spirit. "We are not islands to each other," she declared. "Our strength is in our unity. We must undo what the pirates severed." Joined by her spirited daughter, Tama, who was as strong as she was resourceful, Afa set out with a small band of villagers on a journey fraught with danger. The path to the pirates' dam was treacherous, winding through murky territories and perils of the open sea. On this odyssey, they encountered a clever inventor from a neighboring settlement who equipped the team with tools and clever devices to thwart the pirates' defenses. The team bonded over shared meals under starlit skies, growing more determined with each setback they overcame. At the dam, pirate sentries loomed, their presence a stark reminder of the challenge ahead. Tama devised a plan to disguise themselves as traders, cleverly sneaking into the enemy's stronghold. Inside, using Two's gadgets, they maneuvered through the sprawling dam, evading detection. In the heart of darkness, they found the dam's control point. With Afa's leadership and Two's technical know-how, they set their plan into motion. The floodgates were opened, sending torrents of water rushing back to the thirsty lands of Moana. Chaos ensued among the pirates, whose alarms were too late to prevent the inevitable deluge.